Now let us discuss the relationships between kilometer, meter and centimeter. We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Before solving this question, pause the video and try for yourself, then revisit the video. First question, 6 meter 30 centimeter. 6 meter 30 centimeter. The 6 meter can be written as 6 into 100 centimeter because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 30 centimeter. So 6 meter will be equal to 600 centimeter, and we have got the extra 30 centimeter, which is equal to 630 centimeter. So 6 meter 30 centimeter equal to 630 centimeter. A very similar question, 6 kilometer 30 meter will be equal to how much meter? Now see and feel what the contrast over here, so that you never make mistake on such questions. So 6 kilometer 30 meter. Now this 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 meter, and we have got 30 meter extra. So if you add 6000 to 30, you will get 6030 meter. So this is equal to 6030 meter, which is not equal to 630. So you should pay very minute attention while you solve questions, because there are very chances that you may miss out this relationship and rush to the answer incorrectly. So these should go in your head very quickly. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, whereas 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now if you convert this 6030 meter to centimeter, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 6030 meter will be equal to 6030 multiplied by 100 centimeter. 1 meter 100 centimeter. 6030 meter is 6030 times 100 centimeter, which is equal to 6030, and then again these two zeros. So this will be equal to 603000. We read this as unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So this is 6 lakhs 3000 centimeter. Now the next question, 6 meter 3 centimeter is equal to, please do this very fast, 6 meter is 600 centimeter, and we have got 3 centimeter extra. If you add this, you will get 603 centimeter. See the contrasting nature. Don't rush mistakenly over 630 centimeter from 6 meter 3 centimeter. It's 603 centimeter. Coming to the next question, 6 meter 300 centimeter. This can be written as 600 centimeter plus 300 centimeter, which is equal to 600 plus 300 centimeter equal 900 centimeter. So this is 900 meter. Now you see over here, it's mentioning 300 centimeter. Basically 1 meter, we know that it's 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter, therefore 300 centimeter can be written as 3 meter. So this is basically 3 meter and this is 6 meter. So 3 plus 9 meter, or you can arrive from here also, 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meter. So what I mean to say over here, you should be able to go from meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. For example, if you are asked to convert this particular 603 centimeter to meter and centimeter combination, so how will you do that? So here you read 603 centimeter. So 600, as because we are going from centimeter to meter, we have to keep in mind 100. So 600 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to This is equal to 6 meter and 3 centimeter. Or what you can do, you can divide this 603 by 100, and you know 106 just 600, and you have got a remainder. So this quotient will give you the meter portion, the bigger portion, and we have got 3 centimeter as the remainder. So from here also you can arrive at 6 meter 3 centimeter. So the root of solving all this question is knowing this particular relationship. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Good luck. Keep practicing with Decode Monk to make you better off for the exam. Thank you.